2022 Nissan Altima. We'll be changing the front turn signals on this particular model. In a later video, we will be also doing the rear turn signals and the interior, so that's in a future date. For now, it will be just the front turn signals, which we'll be using our T3-7443A. We already did the driver's side, which we'll show you right now in comparison to the regular passenger, which is a regular halogen. All right guys, so now we're gonna be doing the passenger side turn signal for the front. On this particular vehicle that is not equipped with the factory fog lights, it's a very simple access. You can go from here and pull this out. If your vehicle is equipped with the factory LED, fog lights, you could also access them from the bottom. There's 3 10mm bolts that you have to remove, and you just pull that back. You have a simple access to the bulb. In this case, this one does not come equipped with fog lights, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this off with any pop tool that you have, flathead. Just wedge it into this particular side here. Pull out. You hear the little click, the little pop. That means it popped off. If it still doesn't, go back again and just give it another little pull, like so. At this point, this already did pop off. And even like that, you already have access to the bulb, or you could pull it out. So let's pull it out. There you go. That's your factory bulb. So you simply take these out and let's plug in the bulb. These are sensitive polarities, so what I recommend you do before you put them in is turn on your hazards and see if they flash. We will do so right now. Go back in the housing. Once that's done, just put back your fog light cover. And you're ready to go. Alright guys, so that sums up the install process for this 2022 Nissan Altima front turn signals. Again, we did install the T-Series 7443As, which is the amber color, of course. As you can see, that's the results with the T-Series installed. If you have any questions, give us a call, messages on Facebook, Instagram, email, whichever you prefer. If you could please like and subscribe to our channel, it would help us so we could bring you more content like this on install processes, on showing you how a product looks from our company, of course. Thank you. You have a great day. Bye-bye.